So hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how you can crack a simple executable file using IDA. This is very simple and very beginner friendly. So we'll just compile the file. For compiling, we'll use the gcc command followed by the file name. Here it's crackme.c. After compiling, we'll run the program. We can see it's asking for us to enter a password. So we'll try some password. Hello. So it shows access denied. We'll try again. We'll try with something like box. So it's not letting us in. So our job is to find a password. For that, I'll be opening IDA. Mine is a free version. Click on new and select the file. Just click on OK and yes for the pop-ups. Since this is a basic one, the password is not encrypted or hashed or anything like that. This is very basic. So the first thing you need to check is check other strings. There might be the password directly in the strings. So we'll just check the strings. For checking the strings, we need to press Shift and F12 on Windows. You can see all the strings that I have used in this file. You can see like enter password to unlock the vault. You can see it here. See enter password to unlock the vault. It is there. And there is vault unlocked correct password. There is access denied wrong password. So these are the strings that has been used in this program. On checking, you can see there's a string called sunshine, which we don't see anywhere. So that might be the password. So we'll just try sunshine here. And yeah, that was the password. So this is a very basic way of cracking an executable file in IDA. Thank you.